I love math!
Welcome to First in Math. This is a program that gets everyone excited about math, energizes students to want to do the math, love maths, and want to get really good at math. Let's get started. The first step is to open up your internet browser on any device. You could have a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, a desktop, and the program works with any browser and any operating system. So let's type in the website www.firstinmath.in for India, not .com. So when this page loads, you're going to see the landing page of First in Math. At the top right, you see a login box. Click on the box and you see a pop-up window. It's asking you for the username and password. The username and password would have been sent by your school, and also a message would have been sent to you for the details of what the username and the password is. You'll see a couple of contact numbers on that message. So if you have any difficulty, please call those numbers. So let's type in the username and the password, type it in correctly, and click go. You are now on your own student homepage. You can get started with just the facts, or if you're in kindergarten, class 1 or 2, you can get started with K2 World, or you can get started with what your teacher has asked you to do, or you can get started anywhere. In the next video, you will see how easy and exciting it is to get really good at maths with more than 260 topics to choose from and over 2 lakh levels to climb. See you there!